Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a guide to Colourpop. So here's how this is going to work. A lot of people ask me, oh, what should I get from Colourpop? What's good from Colourpop? I know you buy from Colourpop a lot. Yes, I do. And I know a lot about Colourpop. And it is cheap. It is amazing quality, high-end quality for the most affordable prices, and everyone literally needs to buy from them. Like, if you haven't made a purchase from Colourpop and you like makeup, you need to, and you have been missing out. So I am creating this little guide to Colourpop to tell you the products they have. I obviously don't have every single product from Colourpop, but I'm going to talk about what I have, why I like it, and the price ranges. And hopefully this will help you in making purchases on Colourpop. And I'm going to do some swatches. Just a disclaimer, this is obviously going to be biased towards Kathleen Lights because if you're watching me, hopefully you should know. I mean, I guess you might not know if you don't know who I am, but if you know me from like social media, Instagram or Twitter, you would know that Kathleen Lights is my savior and my best friend and my love of my life, and I would die for her. And so more than half of these products are from Kathleen Lights collabs. So if you don't like that, then I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the OG Super Shock shadows. So these shadows are like creamy, moussey kind of consistencies. Also, shout out to my nail girl, Nailed by Rebecca on Instagram. Sis is a boss. Anyway, these are like moussey, creamy, literally the best formula of eyeshadow I probably have ever tried in my life. This is what it looks like. If you can see in the light, it is absolutely so shiny, so foiled, metallic. It's beautiful. This is in the shade Couche. I think this was a holiday shadow from last year, so I'm sorry if you can't get it anymore, but it is absolutely stunning. Those shadows are just like unbelievable. I don't think anyone can ever top Colourpop's Super Shock eyeshadows. Like, and they are only $6. So these Super Shock shadows are only $6. Next in the Super Shock family, we have the Super Shock Cheek. And these, they have, I think they might have got rid of the bronzers because they came out with powder bronzers. But I know they just brought back this one. It's called Bordeaux. And it is a Super Shock blush. It's a fall blush. It's like a warm red color with sparkles in it. It's really beautiful. So I'll swatch that right there. And so that's a Super Shock blush. And then, yeah, that was a horrible swatch. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at this. And then this is a Super Shock highlighter. And these are literally, if you want a crazy highlight, like if you're doing a photo shoot, you want an editorial look, or I even wear these just to wear them like out. I obviously don't do editorial photo shoots all the time. I wear these all the time. This is my favorite one. It's Flexitarian. I know Kathleen Lights wears this one in all of her Kale Polish photo shoots. Yeah, it is stunning. And these are $8, I believe. So those are amazing. I'm not going any order. I'm just going randomly. These are just two brushes I have. I've never I never bought the like brushes they actually released. These were whenever they were doing the promo, whenever they were first releasing. I can't talk. Whenever they were first releasing the brushes, these were the two brushes you got for free, like if you bought something. This is like a shader brush, and then this is like a fluffy brush. And I use these all the time. I use this one a lot for the Super Shock shadows to like put on my lid, and then if you just blend them out, I usually just put like one color all over my eye and then just blend it out with this brush, and it looks amazing. Next are the Colourpop Creme Gel Liners. These are eyeliners. I have the 3 colors Mr. Bing in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. I have Prance, which is a light blue shade, and then I have Get Paid, which is a like champagne-y color. It's glittery. These are great. These are so creamy, and they just glide on your waterline. They last forever. And these are only, I should probably pull it up because I'm not going to keep lying to you guys. I know everything is affordable, but I don't know. I want to say they're $6, but they might be $5. Okay, so the creme gel liners are only $5. If you would get like the pot of the eyeliner that they have, they're $6. And I don't have any lip pencils, but they're pretty much like the same formula, I think, just like for a lip liner. So those are only $5. Next, I'm going to just go with eyeshadows and eyes still. And I'm going to talk about the single shadows. So this was like Colourpop's first big branch out last year. We only had like Super Shock Cheeks, oh my god, I can't keep saying that. Super Shock Eyes and Lips. Like Colourpop wasn't very large, and they've expanded so much since last year, and their first expansion really was the single eyeshadows. So these are all $5 eyeshadows. This is in the shade Tiki, and you get 1.5 grams. So they're just a normal size eyeshadow. Like I'll compare one to Makeup Geek. If you've tried Makeup Geek, they are pretty much the same size. Makeup Geek is 1.8 grams, but Makeup Geek is $6. And they have a whole bunch of shades, and that's just one of the ones I have. So those are $5. Next, here are some eyeshadow palettes. Let's see how much these are usually. I think they're 16, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so first I'm going to talk about the Dream Street palette. This is Kathleen's latest collaboration with Colourpop. Has 12 eyeshadows in it for $16, and it has a really nice packaging. It's really small and sleek, but it has 12 eyeshadows in it. They're a bit smaller, I think, than the normal eyeshadow, but it's still a lot cheaper. And the formulas are amazing. I'll just swatch. This one is my favorite color, this one right here. It's called Shooting Star, and it is so, like, I'm running out of room, wet and metallic. It is amazing. So this is $12, and then one of their other best sellers is Yes Please. This is, a lot of people have compared it to the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. It just has a bunch of warm shades, and it is to die for. I literally love it so much. I got it for Christmas. This is also $16 for 12 eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to talk about the pressed face. So they have pressed highlighters. I didn't get any of those. And then they have pressed bronzers. I got this bronzer. It's an Afternoon Delight. You can get just the pan for $7, or you can get it in this compact with the mirror for $8. I got the compact because I just wanted the compact. So this is an Afternoon Delight. I I really like this color. I think it's like a little bit too warm for me sometimes, but most of the time it works. I want to get some more. I just haven't made a Colourpop. I haven't made a Colourpop. What am I trying to say? Haven't put in a Colourpop order for a while, so I think this was the last thing I bought from them. All the rest of the like new stuff I got for Christmas, so I'm gonna have to buy some more stuff. Then we have my absolute favorite product, probably from, I can't even say that, I don't know, but this is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm in the shade light, I think I said light medium in my last video, and it's light neutral. As you can tell, I'm almost out. It's like a bit smaller than a normal concealer. You don't get as much, but it's only $6. This concealer is only $6. And I've heard a lot of beauty influencers compare this to the I almost said it again, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in their 2017 favorites videos. It is very good. I recommend it a lot. Next, Colourpop has Ultra Glossy Lips. They are obviously lip glosses. I have the shade Bestie. These are their wands. Just standard wands, really easy to apply. This lip gloss is actually very pigmented. I really like it. I'll swatch it if I can. It's not a very good swatch. Horrible swatch, actually. But as you can tell, it's very pigmented. I'll put it up to the camera. For a lip gloss, those are only... Ultra Glossy Lips are originally $6, but right now, all liquid lips are 20% off, so they are $4.80 on the website right now. So next, we have the Ultra Matte Lip. This is Aquarius 2. In collaboration with Kathleen Lights. This is just a nice, like, pinky, peachy nude, you know, your normal. $6, $4.80 right now on the website. The mattes are, you know, they dry down like a matte, and then they get dry during the day. I mean, that's what all matte lipsticks do. So I usually go for the Ultra Satin lips, which are literally the most comfortable lip I've ever worn in my life. You know what? Now that I put these two side by side, they kind of look like almost the same exact color. This is my favorite Ultra Satin lip, and it's on the top. It is Magic Wand. Aquarius 2 dries down a little darker, but Magic Wand is just a nude, and Ultra Satin, it like looks matte when it dries down, but it doesn't dry down all the way. It's like a velvety feel, and it just stays like hydrating and moisturized the entire day. It is the best. If you're gonna order anything from Colourpop, please order a Ultra Satin lip. You will not be disappointed. I promise you. And we have the Lippie Stix. This is a ultra blotted lip. This is supposed to be for like days, your no makeup days. So when you just want like a stain to your lips, that's what this is for. You can make it like obviously have coverage. That's it right there. But if you just put it on one coat, it's pretty sheer. Ultra blotted lips are $5. Lippie Stix are $5.50. So I have a cream finish, which is like just a normal lipstick finish, and then I have a matte and a matte X, and I'll show you the difference between those. The matte X is my favorite formula. It is just like so comfortable, but it's so matte. But you just like, I don't know. I really don't know how to describe it. You just need to try them for yourself. And these are both $5.50. So I'll show you the difference. So So this one right here is the Matte X and it's called Hotline. And this one is the Matte and it is called Lumiere in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. And if you can tell, this one is just more creamy. This one dries down completely matte, but it is still very, very comfortable. And those are $5.50. I think that is all I have to talk about. I'm just going to do a little promoting. And here, Kathleen Lights also has a lip bundle. It is 1 ultra glossy lip and 2 ultra satin lips. One of the ultra satin lip is the one I'm wearing right now. It's called Revere. It is like a red orange ultra satin. Then there's Dreamy, which is like a pinky. Oh darn it. I don't have it in here, but it's like a pinky, pinky color. Not like pink. It's like peachy pink, but not. It's really pretty. And then Moonchild is the ultra glossy lip, and I absolutely love this. It has little flecks of gold glitter in it, and it is just so beautiful. So that completes this video. I hope it helped you if you were planning on making a Colourpop purchase soon and didn't know what to get. If you want to see more videos like this, please like it and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!